Today's we have to learn the theorem of angle between tangent and secant. आज आपण सर्कल प्रकरणामधील महत्त्वाचे प्रमेय स्पर्शिका आणि छेदिका यांच्यामधील तयार होणाऱ्या कोनामधील परस्पर संबंध दर्शवणारे प्रमेय. स्पर्शिका छेदिका प्रमेय. Angle formed by tangent and secant. First, you understand the angle formed by tangent and secant. प्रथम आपण स्पर्शिका छेदिकामुळे तयार झालेला कोन या संदर्भात माहिती पाहूया. Angle formed by tangent and secant. Draw a circle with center O. O केंद्र असलेल्या वर्तुळामध्ये O केंद्र असलेले वर्तुळ आपण काढलेलं आहे. Draw a chord AC. Chord AC is the secant. Take any point B on the circle. वर्तुळावर B हा बिंदू घ्या. Draw inscribed angle ABC in arc ABC. This is the arc ABC. To draw an angle ABC, this angle ABC is the inscribed angle in arc ABC. Draw a tangent CD of the same circle. This line CD is the tangent of circle. Then this is a secant AC and tangent CD. Therefore, observe the angle ACD and angle ABC. Angle ABC intercepted arc is a arc AC, and arc AC is also intercepted arc by angle ACD. By using inscribed angle theorem, angle ACD is equal to angle ABC. Therefore, this angle ACD is a congruent angle. This angle is a ABC. Hence, therefore, angle ABC is a congruent angle ACD. These two angles, angle ACD and angle ABC, these two angles are congruent. Theorem of angle between tangent and secant. स्पर्शिका छेदिका प्रमेय. Theorem is, if an angle has its vertex on the circle, its one side touches the circle and the other intersect the circle in one more point, then the measure of angle is half the measure of its intercepted arc. दिलेल्या कोनाचा शिरोबिंदू वर्तुळावर आहे, त्या कोनाची एक भुजा वर्तुळाची स्पर्शिका आहे आणि दुसरी भुजा छेदिका आहे. स्पर्शिका छेदिकाने तयार केलेल्या कोनाचे माप त्याने अंतरखंडित केलेल्या कंसाच्या मापाच्या निमपट असते. In this figure, angle ABC, point B is a vertex on the circle, BC is the tangent and AB is the secant. In this figure, in angle ABC, angle B is a vertex, BC is a tangent and AB is a secant. In this third figure, in angle ABC, vertex B is on the circle, side BC is a tangent and side AB is a secant. Given of this theorem, let angle ABC is an angle where vertex B lies on a circle with center M. Its side BC touches the circle at B and side BA intersect the circle at point A and B. Arc ADB is intercepted by angle ABC. There are three figures for this problem. Here arc ADB is an intercepted angle arc by angle ABC. In this figure, arc ADB intercepted arc by angle ABC. In third figure, arc ADB is intercepted arc by angle ABC. To prove the angle formed by tangent and secant, that is angle ABC. This angle is a formed by tangent BC and secant AB. The measure of angle ABC is equal to half of measure of arc ADB. This is a to prove. हे आपल्याला साध्य करायचं आहे. स्पर्शिका छेदिकाने तयार केलेला कोन ABC चे माप त्या कोनाने अंतरखंडित केलेल्या कंसाच्या मापाच्या निमपट असते. अँगल ABC इज इक्वल टू हाफ मल्टिप्लाय मेजर ऑफ आर्क ADB. Proof of this theorem. Consider three cases. In a first figure, second figure and third figure, there are three cases. To prove angle ABC is equal to half multiply measure of arc ADB. In a first case, in figure first, this is a figure. The center M lies on diameter of arc BA of angle ABC. This figure number 1. In a circle with center M lies on side of angle ABC. Therefore, AB is a diameter and BC is the tangent. For this condition or for this case to prove that. Therefore, AB is a diameter, therefore BM is the radius. Radius is a perpendicular to the point of contact of tangent. Therefore, MBC is equal to 90 degree. That is ABC is equal to also 90 degree. Equation number 1 by using tangent radius theorem. Arc ADB is semicircular arc. Why? AB is a diameter. Due to diameter, divide circle into same two parts. Therefore, each part is said to be semicircular arc. Therefore, arc ADB is a semicircular arc. The measure of semicircular arc is 180 degree. Therefore, measure of arc ADB is equal to 180 degree. Equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2. The measure of is a 90 degree. Measure of angle ABC is equal to 90 degree and the measure of angle ADB is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, the 90 is half of 180 from equation 1 and 2 means 90 degree is the angle ABC. Therefore, angle ABC is equal to half and 180 is the measure of arc ADB. Therefore, angle ABC is equal to half multiply measure of arc ADB. Hence, this theorem is a proof for first figure or first case. Second, in a figure second, center M lies on the exterior of angle ABC. सेकंड केसेस मध्ये वर्तुळाचा केंद्रबिंदू कोन ABC च्या बाह्य भागात आहे. ड्रॉ रेडिया MA and MB. वर्तुळाची त्रिज्या AM आणि BM जोडले. Now, angle MBA is a congruent angle MAB because in a triangle AMB, two sides are congruent, AM and BM. Therefore, triangle AMB is an isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, two sides are congruent. Therefore, the opposite angle of congruent side is a congruent. Therefore, angle MBA is equal to angle MAB is isosceles triangle. Angle MBC is a 90 degree. Why? BC is the tangent and BM is the radius drawn from the point of contact. Therefore, by using tangent radius theorem, MB is a perpendicular to BC. Therefore, angle MBC is equal to 90 degree tangent radius theorem. Let angle MBA is equal to angle MAB. We have to consider its measure is a x degree. Therefore, these two angles we have to consider x degree. Hence, angle ABC is equal to y degree. पहा त्रिकोण AMB मध्ये एकरूप कोणाचे माप आपण x कन्सिडर केलेला आहे आणि अँगल ABC चे माप y कन्सिडर केलेला आहे. Therefore, MBC is equal to 90 degree. Then in a triangle AMB, sum of all angle is 180 degree. त्रिकोणाच्या सर्व कोणाच्या मापाची बेरीज 180 अंश असते. Therefore, in a triangle AMB, sum of all angle A plus angle M plus angle B. Therefore, angle MBA plus angle MAB plus angle AMB is equal to 180 degree. त्रिकोणाच्या तिन्ही कोणाच्या मापाची बेरीज 180 अंश असते. Measure of angle MBA plus is equal to x degree plus angle MAB is equal to x degree plus to find angle AMB is equal to 180, x degree plus x plus angle AMB is equal to 180. X plus x is a 2x plus angle AMB is equal to 180. Then we get equation number 1. Similarly, to find angle AMB is equal to 2x goes on the RHS side, then you get minus angle AMB is equal to 180 minus 2x. Angle MBC, this is angle MBC, is the sum of two angles MBA plus angle ABC. Therefore, angle MBC is equal to angle MBA plus angle ABC. The measure of angle we have to consider angle MBA is a x plus ABC is the y. Therefore, angle MBC is equal to x plus y. degree आहे. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 90 degree. This equation x plus y is equal to 90 degree multiple by equation by 2. या समीकरणाला 2 ने मल्टीप्लाय करा. 2 multiply x plus y is equal to 90. Then 2x plus 2y is equal to 180. Then you get equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, समीकरण 1 आणि 2 वरून दोन्ही समीकरणाची RHS side 180 degree आहे. Therefore, LHS side is also same. Hence, 2x plus 2y is equal to 2x plus angle AMB. Here, this 2x goes on LHS side, then you get minus 2x minus 2x plus 2y is equal to angle AMB. 2x minus 2x is a 0, then we get 2y is equal to angle AMB. This 2 goes on RHS side, then you get divide, y is equal to 1 upon 2 multiply angle AMB. This angle AMB is the central angle. The measure of central angle is the same as the इंटरसेप्टेड मायनर आर्क ADB. केंद्रीय कोनाचे माप संगत लघुकंसाच्या मापा एवढे असते. Therefore, angle AMB is equal to arc ADB. And this y is the measure of angle ABC. Therefore, angle ABC is equal to this half multiply measure of arc ADB. Is proof of this theorem for case second. Third case, in figure 3, point M is in interior of angle ABC. वर्तुळाचा केंद्रबिंदू M कोन ABC च्या अंतर्भागात आहे. रे BE opposite ray of ray BC. हा रे BE हा BC च्या opposite ray आहे. Therefore, B is a tangent and this is a AB is the secant. In a second condition, we have to prove in an angle ABE, point M is an exterior point. There, second proof, the angle ABE is equal to half multiply measure of arc AFB. सेकंड कंडिशन मध्ये आपण प्रूव्ह केलेला आहे, जर कोन ABE चा बाह्य भागात वर्तुळाचा केंद्रबिंदू असेल तर कोन ABE चे माप त्याने अंतरखंडित केलेल्या कंसाच्या मापाच्या निमपट आहे. मेजर ऑफ आर्क AFB म्हणजेच अँगल ABE इज इक्वल टू हाफ मल्टिप्लाय मेजर ऑफ आर्क AFB. इक्वेशन नंबर 1. अँगल ABE प्लस अँगल ABC is equal to 180 degree linear pair angle. हा रेषीय जोडीतील कोन आहेत ABE plus angle ABC. Then angle ABE, this angle ABC goes on RHS side, then we get minus angle ABE is equal to 180 minus angle ABC. Then we get equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, LHS side is the same. Angle ABE is equal to angle ABE. Then we get 180 minus angle ABC is equal to half multiply measure of arc AFB. Here half multiply measure of arc AFB. This is a measure arc ADB. The measure of measure arc is 360 minus measure of minor arc. 360 minus measure of arc ADB. Then we get measure of arc AFB. Hence measure of arc AFB replaced by 360 minus measure of arc ADB. Then we get half multiply 360 minus half multiply measure of arc ADB. Half multiply 360, then we get 180 minus half multiply measure of arc ADB is equal to this LHS side 180 minus angle ABC. On both sides 180 and 180 having same sign, then this 180 goes down LHS side, then we get minus 180 minus 180, then we get 0. Therefore, angle ABC is equal to half multiply measure of arc ADB. Hence, it is a proof for case third. Best of luck. यशस्वी होण्यासाठी सोमनाथ गीते मॅथ एक्सपर्ट या चॅनलवरील YouTube व्हिडिओ पहा आणि सबस्क्राइब करा. तुमच्या कर्तृत्वान यशस्वी हाताने सबस्क्राइब करायला विसरू नका. थँक यू.